Now, if you are already familiar with React, you will know that React apps consist of so-called components. So here in source folder, I'm going to create new directory, components, one more folder here, header, because I'm going to start from the header, and inside of this folder, header.js and header.css. Okay, now let's work on header.js. First of all, let's import React from React. And now let's create a new const, header, which should return, let's say, a single div. And let's type something like header goes here. And now what we need to do is export default header, Control S to save. But as you can see, this message here does not appear in my browser. That's because in app.js, we need to import that element first. Import header from components, header, and header.js without extension, and here a semicolon. And now what we need to do is here inside of this div create a new tag, header, and Control S. Now I can see header goes here message, which comes from this component. So we have successfully created a component and nested this component in app.js. By the way, if you use PHP Storm, you don't have to write all this code to create a stateless component like this. Just type RSC and hit tab. And here you just have to type header, and it automatically creates a stateless component for you. Works fine. It's the same